to my channel. I'm so excited to do this unboxing video for you. Now let's open Mini Brands first. I hope I get this golden ketchup, guys. Now I'm going to do. Oh guys, I just... I'm not going to open that yet. I'm going to open this yellow one. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a table. We got a table. Ooh. Get Mini Brands and tell me which one you would get. This one's sponge cake. What's this? Is it a ball for the what? Look at the tweezers. There's little tweezers. And what's that? Oh, it's cold. Oh, it is pineapple. Crack open. Crack open. These are so good too. Cherries. Maybe cherries. They're like the red balls, but they're pretend caramel. Caramel. What's this? Here, guys. Two. The animal though, really sweet surprise, guys. I hope it's good. These bad boys. I hope this is the doll. It is the doll. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her hair. Well, we're going to get her stuff. So we got this little balloon. Hello. A heart pillow. Oh, look at her clothes. I hope this is a bottle. The bottle of the doll. Oh, Mommy, look at her bottle. Look at her shoe. Cheese, please. Can you? And you're missing the bag. Guys, we got a bag. It's the animal sports one. Whoa. Hair. Oh my god. She has really sparkly hair. Now let's dress her up and you can see her. I think she's going to be a cheerleader. Oh, she has these little pom-poms. She's a cheerleader. But she has pants in there. Right, she's a cheerleader. I'm a cheerleader. I'm a cheerleader. Oh, she has cool shoes, guys. They have a little heart. They have a little bright hearts. Look at her bottle. It's a Coke. One more, guys, then. She has a cheer card. Comment down below if we should do this one. You're wrong. Well, I'm going to make a cake. Well, but I don't know really what it is though. And what is that? Arizona. Guys, I poured water in it. Now it may snow. We got Olaf. Right. Alright, feeling the watermelon. I'm melting into the ice. Still, I get farther and farther. Goodbye forever. Guys, I can't believe I made snow. Say magic key. And it feels like rice. I couldn't wait to play with all these toys. It's all alright. Comment down below if all of us alright. Go there and see if it all. And this one first, guys. The baby born minis. Whoa. These minis are sick. Guys, these minis are so cute. They can only spin their heads around. Look at this one. Guys, this baby's name is Vicky, but I want to call it Ella Waldo. So cute. Here's the baby. Oh, this baby's very cute. Look, my baby with the sticker. Guys, these babies are very cute. Guys, comment down below if these are very cute. So we've got one more. The other one's Billy. For Bill is the other one for Elmodo. That's a toy.
It's here.
Oh, it's here. It fell out. Whoa, he got cool hair, guys. Liam got cool hair. Some people on my tablet do it backwards so they look cool. Guys, look, Liam looks cool because he's a boy. I got this Barbie outfit for one of my naked Barbies. Barbies need new clothes. Oh. Bing, bang, boom. Right. So I'm gonna dress my Barbie. Okay. I'm gonna put her top on. La 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 la. Bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell. Just the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rock, rock, rock. The part of this one. Guys, have you seen new toys? Don't swallow me. Jingle bell rock. My Barbie finally has some clothes. Just turn her head around. The doll would turn their head around. and you can't put it in. Guys, comment down below if she looks nice. I love playing with her hair, guys. Guys, thank you for watching my unboxing amazing video. Bye. See you later. Like and subscribe. Bye. 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 I just really need to go home. I'm lost. I'm trying to look for my child. Oh, there she is. Where's her toy? Make sure you come back to watch the videos. Bye! Bye! I need to get my child to sleep. So goodbye, baby, on the street, on the wind blows.